Okay, so today I'm going to be just doing a recap of US30 this week. So we'll go through this week's price action. We'll look at the opportunities presented by, the strategy, and we'll discuss. So, as you can see, I have, gone on the Trading View replay mode, and well, when you wait for the, market to open, you mark out your zones. So that's what I'm going to do right here. And obviously, you refine your zones so you don't have a massive stop loss. Now, if we go to the first day of the week, which is Monday, as you can see, it just had a massive drop off. And I believe that's to do with the new AI with China. But yeah, anyway, had a massive drop off when it opened, 500 points, crazy. And then when market opened, it opened below the zone. So I was looking for a break and retest. Well, not break and retest, a tap in retest. That's what I was looking for. And, we got it, really. And here was the trade. And 300 pips, bang. That was a trading opportunity. Tapped in, rejected, nice rejection. Quite a big stop loss. But ultimately, you know, stop loss hit. And that's okay. And that's absolutely okay. That was Monday. And then if we go to the next day, well, first we're going to mark our zones. These are the zones. Tuesday. So initially, when it came to Tuesday, 2:30 opened, and again, it was a buy this time. You know, opened, break, retest, and yep, you saw it's a stop loss again. So EOS there is just absolutely handing out slaps for this strategy at least. I'm sure there are people out there with different strategies who are finding this price action absolutely amazing. And that was the Tuesday. And then, if we go to the Wednesday, draw our zones again. This is when, if I remember correctly, when price action's a little bit better because in times of consolidation slash ranging markets in USD, this is when the strategy performs absolutely brilliantly. We have our high and low picked out, and then, well, 2:30 opened, eventually hit US high, and then you can see there was a rejection. And you targeted the US low of the previous session. Price would have hit your take profit and taken you out. If unfortunately you weren't taken out there, you would have had to close before 7 because it's, FOMC. And you don't want to hold through that, really, because it could absolutely reverse and hit your stop loss. So that's a winning trade for Wednesday, 264 points. And, so far that would have turned both these losses covered and into profit now, actually. Now, if I remember correctly, unfortunately, the 2:30 candle didn't tap into the zone, so we didn't quite get the tap in rejection we wanted, but price did run up all the way to the previous US high. Now that's unfortunate for that day, and then if we just refine our zone again, just refine the zone again. For the next day, the final day, you can see that on the 230, it was a bit rangy, but you could have entered here or here. Yeah, could have entered here, stop loss up there, and you would have hit your take profit of 300 points. Now, that's another winning trade. So, two winning trades, two losing trades. That's how it goes. Unfortunately, this trade I did take in, my live account, but I took this candle's rejection, and so my entry was down here. And as my entry was down here, when price hit 100 points, I went break even. And it was around 5 o'clock when I was taken out at break even. And then price just dropped without me. So it was actually unfortunate. It was sad. So yeah, I mean this does count as a rejection candle, tapping into the zone and then, long upper wick. But I took this trade at this candle, which, means my entry wasn't as good. And so, going break even 100 points, got taken out. It's unfortunate, but the backtested data would suggest that this week would have been profitable with a loss, winning trade, no trade on Thursday, and then a winning trade on Friday. Now, that is essentially the results. That would have given you 393 points at the end of the week, which is not bad. So, yeah, that is essentially the price action of US30 this week. Unfortunately, I took this trade, it ended up as a break even for me, no trading day. I didn't take this trade. I unfortunately took an L here and here. So I just got the losing end of the, strategy, but didn't capitalize on the winning end of the strategy, which is, a little bit frustrating. But hey, you know, there's things to work on. So yeah, February's coming up, and I'm excited for the price action. So let's just perform to my best and actually capitalize on the moves rather than sit around and yeah, taking too many losses and not capturing any wins. Now, yeah, I hope that I can bring you a better video. Unfortunately, you know, taking L after L doesn't bring the most exciting content. So that's just, the reality. And, I'm not hiding my losses. Took two losing trades, one break-even trade. So, that was my week, unfortunately. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to support, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the near future.